Your banana peel isn't trash. It's the beginning of a food chain that could feed your garden ecosystem for free. While most people throw away $400 worth of organic nutrients every year, a hidden biological engine is waiting for you. Nature doesn't waste anything, and neither should your homestead. Today I'm revealing the system that connects your kitchen to your forest. This is the Insect Composting System. One continuous living loop that transforms your kitchen waste into a protein forest. Chapter 1. The Missing Link. To master your permaculture system, you must understand the bridge between waste and growth. This isn't just dirt, it's a biological reactor teeming with the life that fuels the entire food forest ecosystem. Meet the black soldier fly, not a pest, but the most underestimated organism in sustainable agriculture today. These larvae don't just eat waste, they restructure it at the molecular level, concentrating nutrients for your plants to use. Traditional composting takes months. This system converts waste to high-value protein in just 14 days with zero loss. 1 square meter can process 5 kilograms of organic matter daily. It's the ultimate efficiency for any serious homesteader. Chapter 2. Building your reactor. You don't need expensive equipment. You just need to understand the architecture of conversion. Start with a 50-liter container. This simple plastic tote will become the heart of your protein production system. You need a 40-degree ramp leading to exit holes. This mechanical design leverages the larvae's own natural instincts. Total cost? Under $25. It's a professional-grade reactor built with hardware store basics and a little grit. The secret is the cardboard. These grooves are the perfect nursery where female flies deposit hundreds of eggs. When the larvae hatch in 4 days, they drop directly into the food source. No human handling is ever required. Chapter 3. The Invitation. You don't buy these insects. You summon them with a carefully crafted scent plume. Mix overripe fruit, molasses, and yeast. This signals females within 800 meters that you've built the perfect nursery. They'll arrive within 48 hours. Nature is always looking for an opportunity to recycle energy. You're just providing the gate. Watch for the arrival. This is the moment your homestead transitions from a consumer to a producer of life. Chapter 4. The Feeding Frenzy. The tiny larvae emerge and immediately begin their work of total transformation. From the moment they touch the waste, their biological mandate is clear: consume, grow, and restructure. These larvae are biological shredders. They consume twice their body weight daily, from vegetable peels to coffee grounds. Feed them everything. Your waste stream is their buffet. Watch as they turn trash into high-value resources. Their digestive system hosts bacteria that break down cellulose into bioavailable nutrition your plants can immediately use. What exits isn't just compost, it's pre-digested fuel, a concentrated blast of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The byproduct, Frass, is supercharged, higher in nitrogen than cow manure and rich in immune-triggering chitin. Your fruit trees will produce heavier crops. Your vegetables will resist pests naturally without a single chemical spray. Chapter 5. The Self-Harvesting Miracle. As they mature, their instincts take over, leading them toward the harvest. Nature programmed them to harvest themselves. They instinctively seek dry ground when they are ready to pupate. Your ramp guides them through the exit holes and directly into your collection bucket. Every morning, fresh protein, zero effort. This is the beauty of designing with nature instead of fighting against it. The system works for you. Expect 200 grams daily. That's 42% protein, rich in essential amino acids like lysine and methionine. It's better nutrition than commercial feed at zero cost. Better shells, healthier birds, and total homestead independence. Chapter 6. Completing the Circle. Watch your chickens thrive as they reclaim their natural role in the ecosystem. The nutrient density you see in your birds is the same density you'll soon see in your garden and your eggs. Scatter larvae in your orchard. The chickens forage, fertilize, and the loop closes. Every output becomes an input. This is how you break the commercial dependency permanently. A summer of abundance feeds winter scarcity. Chapter 7. Seasonal Resilience. When production slows in the cold, your processed reserves take over. Dry them at 65 degrees for 3 hours. Store them for 6 months. Freeze the fresh portions for winter security. An organized storage system ensures your animals never go hungry, no matter what the market prices are doing. This is how you master the cycles of nature. You transform the peak of summer into a bridge to the spring. The results appear in your eggs. Deep amber yolks and shells that don't crack. Nutrition density you can see. This isn't just feed, it's a transformation of your entire food chain. Your plants will show it next. Chapter 8. The Plant Connection. Frass-fed plants develop stronger roots and natural pest resistance. The chitin in the frass triggers the plant's immune system, building thicker cell walls and natural defenses. You're not just feeding plants. You're activating their biology to fight off blight and pests naturally. Observe the difference. Faster growth, deeper green, a garden that takes care of itself because the soil is alive. This is permaculture in action. The black soldier fly is the connector species between waste and forest productivity. Every output becomes an input. No waste streams, no input costs. Just a self-sustaining engine of life. Chapter 9. Advanced Integration. Once you master the basics, it's time to scale your biological wealth. Scale horizontally with multiple units. Stagger your start dates to ensure a continuous daily protein harvest. Some units can process kitchen waste, while others handle manure. Each biopod optimized for its specific input. Expand the web. These larvae can feed fish, ducks, and quail. The same waste stream supports multiple systems. The loops multiply. Every new animal system you add creates more fertilizer for your expanding food forest. Share the surplus. Your excess larvae can strengthen your entire community's food security and local resilience. Teach your neighbors. In 1 year, your neighborhood transforms from dependent consumers to interdependent producers. Chapter 10. Precision Management. Success depends on balance. Your compost should feel like a damp sponge. Too wet? Add dry browns. Cardboard or leaves absorb excess liquid and provide the structural carbon your colony needs. Coffee grounds are a premium input. They provide a high nitrogen boost that accelerates larval growth exponentially. Be cautious with citrus. While larvae can process it, too much acidity can stall the biological engine of your reactor. Watch for overpopulation. If the mass becomes too dense, the temperature will rise, potentially harming your colony. In peak summer, move your reactor to deep shade. Active cooling ensures the larvae stay in their optimal metabolic zone. The smell test is your best diagnostic tool. A healthy system smells like earth and forest, never like rot or decay. Convert your frass into foliar spray. This liquid gold provides immediate nutrition and triggers natural pest resistance. Integrate with other animals. Rabbit manure is a perfect fuel source, high in nutrients and easily processed by the larvae. Exchange your surplus. Trade protein for seeds or frass for help in the garden. This is how community resilience is built. Chapter 11. The Deeper Pattern. Recognize that waste and abundance are just the same substance in different moments. The black soldier fly doesn't create nutrition, it releases it. It unlocks the energy trapped in waste. When you build this system, you stop participating in the illusion of waste. You become an alchemist of the everyday. Chapter 12. Starting today. You need 30 minutes and less than $30 to begin your transformation. Your banana peel was never trash. It was potential energy waiting for the right biological key to unlock it. Gather your materials. 1 container, a drill, scrap wood, and some overripe fruit. It's time to close the loop. Build it this weekend. Welcome your first flies by Wednesday. Harvest your first protein in just 2 weeks. You'll wonder why you ever bought feed. You'll wonder why you ever saw waste. This is your new beginning. Subscribe and close the loop with us. Join the movement where every problem contains its own biological solution. This is your channel name, where waste ends and abundance begins. Build your biopod and harvest independence forever. The loop is waiting. All you have to do is close it. Start today and feed your future. The real wealth isn't the larvae. It's the knowledge of the systems that sustain us. It's the library of seeds we protect. We are reclaiming forgotten agricultural knowledge, mapping out a future where self-sufficiency is the standard. This is our vault of resilience. Every seed a story, every system a shield against a changing world. Water flows where life grows. Your integrated biopod is just one part of a larger living homestead mechanism. Look closer. The miracle of growth is happening right under your feet, powered by the very waste you use to discard. The harvest is yours. It's the reward for observation, for patience, and for the courage to close the loops. You are the alchemist, transforming the ordinary into the extraordinary through the power of biology. Underground, a silent network is communicating. Every biopod addition strengthens this invisible web of life. This is what abundance looks like, not a store-bought convenience, but a relationship with the living world. Your animals are the guardians of your fertility. They convert the protein of the larvae into the gold of your soil. Energy never dies. It only changes form. Your homestead is a perpetual motion machine of organic life. Listen to the rhythm. The wind, the water, the soil. They are all speaking the language of self-sufficiency. We protect the future by saving the past. These seeds are the genetic blueprint of our survival. True wealth is found on this table. It's the product of a system that honors life at every stage. Even in the dark, the work continues. The biological reactor never sleeps, always converting, always preparing. Your morning routine becomes a ritual of gratitude, a connection to the cycles that keep us alive and free. This system is your gateway to autonomy. Once you see the patterns, you can never unsee the abundance. The choice is yours. Stay a consumer or become a producer. Close the loop and start your transformation today. This is the vision, a decentralized network of autonomous producers, linked by shared knowledge and biological wealth. Every seed you plant today is a shield for the future. You are the guardian of your own independence. Infinite loops, infinite abundance, all contained within the waste you used to discard. Unlock it now. The sun sets on the age of waste. A new dawn of autonomy is here. Join us and close the loop.